So what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna teach you how to make or create a YouTube channel. So right here we're in the desktop of the YouTube. What are you going to do first is to click this one over here. That is the name of the account that I'm currently using right now. So you go to switch account. So that's several accounts over there. So all you have to do is add an account. Okay? Since you want a new YouTube channel, before you can do that, you have to create another Google account. So you have to go use another account because you cannot make any YouTube channel if you don't have a Google account for your YouTube. So in here you can see email or phone number. If you have existing email, you can use it or create account. So in this case, we're gonna create account. That's for yourself or to manage your business. So for now, we're gonna use for myself. So we're gonna create. You enter your name here. Vincent Vince, and create new Gmail instead. How fast 100. Ta-da! So of course you're gonna enter your desired password. Then you have to confirm it. Then next. So in here you have to put your phone number. Then it's gonna verify this one. It's gonna send a password or a code in your phone number. So we just get the number. So let's verify it. So here you're gonna answer questions about you and your gender and etc. So if you want to have a recovery email, you can put it here. Then your birthday, of course. Your gender, rather not to say. That's my option. Next. Yes, just press this one. Yes, I'm in. Then go at the bottom. So this one is really important. If you have time, just read it and agree. So you already have a Google account. Okay. Now this one. So go to the YouTube studio. In here, you have to make your YouTube channel here. The name of your YouTube. So the name of my YouTube that I desired is how to TV, right? So create the channel. And voila. And voila, you already have a YouTube channel. So in here, this is your YouTube channel. You can now start to upload, create some content for your YouTube. And yeah, that's all.